Last night we took out the quad, did a little test on the soundbar. The quality is actually really good, but whenever the bass comes into the music, if you listen to heavy bass, anything with like, deep low ends, rap, hip hop, trap, EDM, dubstep, whatever it is. So here I'm thinking, here's my brand new soundbar, and it doesn't sound good. I can't listen to my favorite music. Well, did a little bit of research. I played around with it, tinkered with it. I came up with a solution, and I figured out what's going on. It's not the soundbar itself, it's actually my phone. Now, I personally use a subscription service called Tidal. It provides a hi-fi quality audio. It runs at actually 1440 kilobits per second. Pandora, Spotify, Apple Music, they actually run at a maximum bit rate of 320 kilobits per second. This means whenever I'm using Tidal Music, it's actually sending so much data over Bluetooth to the speaker that it's not able to cram it all in there all at once. I also have an Apple Music subscription service, so I ended up trying that out. The first thing I noticed is the quality of the music actually got better because it wasn't distorting over the Bluetooth. I still received a little bit of distortion whenever the bass kicked in on certain songs. I want to be able to listen to everything on my music playlist without having to worry about settings while I'm out there at the mud park. iPhones actually have a built-in setting in the settings app that allows you to equalize your music, and it only controls the Apple Music and your music that you have downloaded to the music app. In those settings, you'll find a bass reducer option, and it'll actually help level out that bass coming in too hard on the speakers. I did a little test last night and took it down the road for about 40 miles per hour, and I had it almost all the way up, maybe just a couple notches off the top, and I could hear the entire range of the music that I was listening to. I highly recommend you check into it if you have one of these GATOR soundbars. This thing rocks out, man. I couldn't be happier with the quality of the soundbar. Thank you Live Round Sound for the great customer service and quick shipment. I can't wait to check it out this weekend at Muddy Bottoms Redneck Revival. It's gonna be a blast. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have the soundbar turned up real loud. Thanks everyone. Have a good day. Bye.